sharing you how to make a super clicky slime with shaving cream. And guys, before starting, please give me a big thumbs up and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Comment down below if you know any recipe with shaving cream. Leave that recipe in the comments so that I can make my next video on that recipe. Now let's get started with our video. So guys, to make this super clicky slime, ingredients needed are you'll need some bowls. Means you'll need these 3 bowls, 3 containers. So here there are 3 bowls. One for the activator. In one bowl you have to keep some water, so you'll also need some water. And in one bowl you have to make a slime. And you'll need something to mix, so I'm using a spoon to mix. And then guys, you'll need some glue. You can also, I'm using Fevicol, you can also use any other glue. Any glue will work for this. And you'll also need this glue, but this glue is optional. And you can also use any other glue like Fevigum or Clear glue. Then guys, you will need any hand wash. So here guys, I'm using this Savlon hand wash, and you can also use any other hand wash. This is just for some fluffiness. Then you'll need also some Johnson baby shampoo. And guys, you cannot avoid this shampoo. You only need this and this shampoo because this will be necessary. If you don't have any Johnson baby shampoo, you can use a shampoo like Johnson baby only, which is clear in color. Then you'll need your activator, that is shaving cream. I'm using Godrej shaving cream Lime Fresh, but you can also use any other shaving cream. But guys, that shaving cream should contain some borax in it. Now guys, let's get started with the video. So guys, the first step is to make our slime activator. So we have to put at least 1 teaspoon of water in our bowl. Then we have to put 1 pump of activator in it. After putting some shaving cream, let us mix it with the spoon very well, that there are no lumps in it. So let it mix it. So now guys, I added 1 more pump of shaving cream in it, and now our activator is over. And now let us take our slime bowl. Now guys, let us put some Fevicol in it. So I'm putting more and more Fevicol in it. Now guys, it's time to put some water in it. Now we have to mix it, water and glue. And now guys, after putting some water and mixing it, we have to put some optional step, that is we have to put some clear glue. Then we have to put some hand wash. Don't put a lot. Now guys, we have to put little of this Johnson baby shampoo. And now let us mix it. Now guys, after adding all these things, we have to add our activator mixture, and we have to mix it very well, slowly and slowly, and you can see that it is taking a little by little consistency. And guys, I have one more step to make our slime fluffy, and this step is optional. If you want guys, you can do the step. It depends upon you. We have to make our shampoo little fluffy, so we have to put a very little of shampoo in this bowl, and we have to put very little amount of activator in this, and we have to just mix it. So I am mixing it. Now you can see guys, it's fluffy, and I have mixed it very well. Now we have to put this fluffy thing in our slime. So I'm putting it. Now guys, let us mix it. Now we have to put a little by little activator and our glue mixture. So I'm putting it in guys. You can see that it is taking a very little consistency. Now we have to add seasoning. Now guys, I'm adding little more glue because my mixture got little watery. So guys, I recommend you that do not to put a lot of hand wash or foaming shampoos or any other thing. Now we have to mix it. Now I'm done it. Now guys, it's taking my consistency, the consistency which I want, and you can see guys, my one batch of activator mixture is over. So let us make another batch of activator mixture. So I'm putting my second batch of activator mixture, and let us mix it. Now guys, you can see I have taken my slime on my hands, and guys, it's non-sticky. If it's sticky, just play with the slime. So guys, I'm back after playing with the slime. Guys, I finished playing with this slime, but it's little sticky, but it's okay guys, because it's clicky slime, so it will be sticky. And best way to play with the slime is to dip our finger in the activator mixture and play with the slime until our slime becomes non-sticky, like this way. So I'm playing it. Hey guys, I finished playing with my slime, and now I have kept my slime in an airtight container, and guys, you can see that it's stick to my container. Super clicky. Yeah. And it's super stretchy. And guys, your slime will be a little watery, but because guys it's a clicky slime, it don't mean that it's watery or any other thing. Now I'm playing with the slime, and it's very fun to play. And guys, I got a peach color of my slime. Wow, it's very soft and it's very stretchy. I love this slime. Let us keep it in this container, and it's thick. So guys, hope you like my video, and guys, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Comment down below if you know any recipe with shaving cream. Leave that recipe in the comments so that I can make my next video on that recipe. Guys, hope to meet you in my next till that time, guys. Bye bye.